Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If I am looking down, it is because my little mirror is right here. I'm gonna need this for this video. But in this video today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I get rid of all this frizz. Okay, but okay, so basically I'm gonna show you my curly routine for my wigs. So first things first, I'm gonna start spraying this, and then I'm gonna start detangling it a little bit. So, little mannequin head in the way. All right, so I'm gonna start spraying it to get it nice and wet because I don't want to have this frizz on here. So if I get it wet, I just sprayed my whole face. The disrespect. Okay, but yeah, so they say to detangle hair, well, curly hair, wet. I mean, sometimes I do it wet, sometimes I don't. It kind of just depends on how I'm feeling. What I did forget to do is split this in sections. I'm not going to do all of this at the same time. I ain't got no clips, so I'm gonna just use this. There we go. So I'm gonna work on this section first. Make sure you get them ends, because y'all know the ends is what need the most loving. So just sometimes I get this soaking wet, and sometimes I just get it wet enough to know that I can detangle. Hold on, let me try to turn this on, spray myself in the face no more. Sorry if y'all just saw my wig cap. Like, I don't really have this wig on. Usually I do this, I do it on the mannequin head because I don't really like getting all wet and stuff. But for the sake of this video, I decided to go ahead and put it on. So what I'm going to be putting in it is some conditioner. Sometimes I use leave-in conditioner, but today I don't have any. So I'm gonna get about this much and just rub that on in the hair. Conditioner helps your hair, basically it weighs it down a little bit so that your hair isn't all frizzy and puffy. Like, I don't like big hair, so I do this to get rid of the frizz and basically to make sure that it's going to stay flat. I forgot to clean my dimming brush. This is trifling. So next I'm going to use my dimming brush. Yeah, it's my dimming brush. I can barely see that on there, but it says dimming right there. Next I'm just going to go through and I'm going to, first of all, start from the bottom. Don't do what I just tried to do. You want to start from the bottom and just work your way up and detangle. You see what I'm doing right there? Do this for the whole section. Sound kind of rough, but this hair did need to be washed. It just needed to get some love back in it, because I haven't really been wearing my this hair like that. As y'all know, I cut my hair, so I really been trying to rock my little TWA. Is that what y'all call it? No? Yeah, teeny weeny afro. So my wigs haven't been getting much love lately. But yeah, so this is what I do. Just go through and make sure that it's all through there like that. And then what I do next is I grab some styling, what do you call this? Some setting lotion. Yeah, that's what you call this. So grab some setting lotion, foam, whatever you want to call it. And that's what I do next. I don't spray it directly on my hair, but I get about that much. And then I rub this in as well. And I feel like this helps hold the curls. Sometimes I do spray it directly on, but whatever. I don't need that much because I don't want my hair feeling all crunchy and stuff like that. So I put that on there, and then I look and I see if it is the way that I want it to be. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and take my Eco Styler gel. This is the olive oil kind. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to, I'm not gonna grab too much of that, just about that much. And I'm gonna go ahead and rub that in as well. And this will keep the curls from frizzing up as well, because on this container it actually says tames frizz. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that on there and make sure you get it down to the end. And then I'm just gonna go on into the next section and do the same thing. But usually when I'm all done with this, I take it off and I let it dry unless I got somewhere to be. But I don't like my curly hair drying on my head, just because it makes it even more frizzy. Like, you know, if you're manipulating your curls or whatever, it makes it too hard for me. So I'll just be taking it off and I'll just hang it up once I'm done doing all of this. But like I said, I usually don't do this on my head. So yeah, this is really difficult because I really don't have the right setup for this. So I really can't see what I'm doing. So if water starts spraying everywhere, my bad. Well, y'all ain't the ones who gotta feel it, but y'all know what I mean. Y'all know what I'm saying. But yeah, so just get this nice and wet like the first section. Make sure the ends is good. And you really want to make sure that you're getting like the bottom and stuff, especially when you get to the back, because you know that'd be the most matted part of the curly hair. So I'm gonna make sure I get all that. If y'all see something in the back, that right there, it's my daughter. Excuse her. I didn't want to put her away today. I'm making her sound like she a pet, but no, usually she's not here when I record, or she goes to the room. But today, I don't care. So when I get to the back, when I really can't see that well, I grab a wide tooth comb and I'll try to detangle this a little more before I actually go in with anything else, because y'all, I'm really struggling right now. It's been a while since I've actually done this, I think. Because I think the last time I wore this wig, I wore it and kind of just hung it up. But it was still clean because it had been freshly washed. So it don't need to be cleaned or nothing. It just need the curls back. But okay, I did that. Now I'm going to go back and give my Aussie and rub this on this section. Y'all probably can't even really see what I'm doing, but y'all saw what I did in the front, so y'all know what it is. Y'all know what I'm doing right now. So do that like that, and then we're going to grab our foam. Yeah, my hands are so wet and nasty, I can't even pick nothing up right now. Okay, go through and do that. And now I'm going to grab my dimming brush and I'm going to go ahead and make sure these curls get to forming all nice and cute. For y'all who don't know what a dimming brush is, it is obviously a brush that what am I trying to say? It enhances your curls, I guess you can say. It helps them out a little bit. So yes, I know I'm mixing sections right now, but this is usually what I do because I want to make sure that they're clumping together and that you can't tell that I worked on the sections separately. So I'll clump these together and then I'll separate it the best that I can when I go in to try to put my gel on there. So there's that section. And y'all really don't try to get this perfect, because I really don't be concerned like that. I'll just be trying to make sure it's cute. So there's that section looking all cute and stuff. And now we're gonna move to this side, and I'm gonna do this all together. This is gonna be my last section. So y'all can see my baby hairs and stuff is already out, so I won't have to do any of that once this is done and dry and stuff like that. Excuse my big old ears. I know I got some big old ears. I'm like Dumbo. I'm about to fly away. But that's why I keep these things covered. Can't be. If y'all can tell, I have pulled out my my real hair for my baby hair. Like, I don't like using the baby hair because this is a closure wig. So I don't really like doing the whole baby hair thing on the actual closure or front. Like, I don't know. I just don't be feeling that. I'd rather use my hair, and if I can blend it enough to make it look good, that's what I'm gonna do. So, same thing as before. Again, the disrespect. Okay, gonna go in, do this, and I make sure I get it on top like this, because this is me like actually trying to make sure that my closure don't get all puffy and stuff like that. So, go in, do that, and this time I'm going to go ahead with my dimming brush. Go ahead and work your way up. Y'all, I'm doing this backwards. This is the hair that I reviewed already. But I have not given you guys the hair review over it. So that's actually going to be next. And as you guys can see already how pretty it is now that you can see it not in the pack. Gonna tuck that back behind there, get that together like that, and then, well, actually no, we gonna untuck that, get my phone. But yeah, so I'm going to be actually reviewing this so you guys know what is up with this hair, because honestly, well, y'all gonna see. I'm not gonna tell y'all right now. That's for later. So I'll let y'all know all the details on this hair. It's so pretty though. It's so pretty. This is the Malaysian curly Beauty Forever hair off of AliExpress. So we are done now, and I am going to once again mix my sections together, and then the very last thing that I do is, well, it's already drying. Usually I spray way more water than this, but okay, so I'm gonna put that back behind my ear now, and here it is wet. See, this is why I can't wear it on my head while it's drying. Y'all see, that's all I'm doing, just touching in my hair. But so this is it while it's wet, and then once it dries, I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looked like. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Well, as you guys can see, I am back with the final product. My boyfriend in the back all up in my video. Never mind him. But so I actually did end up taking this wig off and letting it air dry. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so I did end up taking this wig off and letting it air dry because I had to run some errands and your girl wanted nothing to do with a wig. So I ended up taking it off and I let it air dry. It was been about maybe an hour, but my hair is not crunchy. Y'all see it's cute. My curls are popping and it's ready to go. So I just wanted to make a little video for the ones who don't know what to do with curly hair. I know I make a lot of wigs for people and they got curly hair and I'm like, it's kind of high maintenance. You gotta do some stuff to it. You can't just day to day just throw that thing on. But yeah, so this is kind of to help out my clients who get curly wigs who don't know what to do. Say hi, baby. Ooh, your mouth is so full. Okay, give out the frame, please. But yeah, guys, all right, well, thank you for watching this video. It was a quick and to the point video, but just like I said, just wanted to come and let you guys know what I do to my curly units. But as always, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Subscribe. And make sure y'all ring my bell so y'all can be notified every time I post a video. Thank you, and I will see you guys in my next one.
Bye, guys.